Hi guys, it's Pet Simulator Andre, and today we're going to be taking a look at all of the new Happy Meal toys of this new month, May or June of 2024, which is Pet Simulator, which is a Roblox game. So we're not Roblox addicts, but we collected this whole set. So let's go with the really confusing part. So some of you, to kids that don't comprehend, technically we only have 10 toys, but the reality, there are 20 toys. But at least you get 2 in the price of 1, which is the best thing ever. So first pair we have is this little baby shark, which doesn't even look like a baby, it more looks like a adult shark or a mommy shark. And we got whatever the heck this is. I think that's a dog or a cat. Who knows? It doesn't specify because on the boxes there are no names. It's just a picture and there's no name. There's no absolute name. So the next pair we have is the cow and the masked owl. Let's show the masked owl first because that's the one shown on the box. And then the cow is the mystery one that is not promoted or not shown in advertisements and stuff. There's the cow. The animals look more like square blobs because of course it's Roblox and it's all like squarified, so everything is pretty much square, so that's why they look a little bit more awkward than you might expect. For the third one, we have the red parrot or the scarlet macaw, also known in the internet, and we have the maching or monkey. This is probably one of my favorites, the monkey, because it looks more realistic than the other ones. This cow looks more cartoony. The parrot looks alright. It's not one of my favorites, but fine. So decent. It's decent. Perfectly decent. Just a monkey or maching or orangutan. It's not orangutan, it's definitely a monkey. So next we have is the bunny and the lucky cat or the China cat, whatever you want to call it. So whenever you hold this cat, this will bring you luck. No, I'm just joking. It's already square. It's gonna give you still luck, really. And this bunny kind of reminds me of like those cartoony bunnies that show up on t-shirts and stuff and promotional ads, that this pink rabbit or bunny. It's the same thing. Next we have is the red panda and the flamingo, we think. So let's start with the red panda. A lot of people mistake that as a fox, but different species, everybody. That's a red panda. So we got the flamingo here. Goes flamingo. So yeah, the flamingo looks just like a square blob with like little things on the side, but we can mind it. Number 6 is the cat and the fish. This is a terrifying pack because maybe the cat will eat the fish, so that's why this will be a scary pack because the fish is gonna get eaten by his own. And there's a lot of cats in this series. There's, I think, 4. And then that fish. I think that's tilapia or bangus. I don't know what fish is that. It's a green fish. It more looks like a shark, but it's definitely a fish, not a shark. For number 7, we have the chicken, which is the mystery one. And then the third cat, after the lucky cat, the cat. This is a kawaii cat. I don't know why I think McDonald's is obsessed with cats, so maybe the owner of McDonald's has like about a billion cats, so that's why they know all the species of cats, and you know, they have lions and tigers here in the set as well, so yeah, they are obsessed with cats, and they only have 1 dog. We don't even know if this is a dog or a cat, so maybe that's a cat, so I got 7 technically, but I don't know. McDonald's logic is so confusing. So next we got the lion and the blob. No, it's a frog. It more looks like a blob because it's just a square green thing with a keychain on the top. If you take this off, this will be a perfect square instead of it more looks like a blob than a frog, really. So yeah, this set has quite a few complaints here and there, but it's a perfectly fine set. It's not the worst thing in the world. So next we have the second to last pair. We got the sheep and the tiger, which is also kind of terrifying because maybe the tiger is so hungry he might eat the sheep. So we got 2 terrifying things. Thank goodness they didn't put 2 cats in 1 pack because that will cause cannibalism. So that shape looks perfectly fine. Specifies the Happy Meal cat, but according to the internet, the panda is actually the real thing, and then this mystery cat is the, the mystery pet. So that's the only one that doesn't appear in the video game or the game, because it looks creepy if you ask me. What if they made that as a mascot? That would be extreme. Alright, our shout outs. First off, we got of course, the most important, Mama, Dada, and Ate. Thank you for helping me collect this. And of course, Lola and Lola. I hope Mang Jerry's, thank you so much for buying number 4 and 5. Without Mang Jerry's money, this would not have been possible. And now, the biggest shout out for all of you to scream at, for all of you to jump for. We have Tita Mercy Kawasawe, April 9 and 4-9. And I have something to say to you, April 9. You are my 4-9 and you wait. It's a tongue twister. You're my 9-4 and I'm your 4-9. So, thank you so much for all your support of all my contests and everything I've achieved this school year. And actually, since the beginning, of course. Thank you, and I really miss you, so I hope you come back to the Philippines this year or even next year. All of my relatives, we got January 5, March 19, and January 27. And to all of your lovely, pretty wives, shout out to you as well. And to every single one of my subscribers, my teachers, my friends, everybody. So, thank you guys so much for watching this really quick and questionable video because of what they look like, but whatever. This set, I'm gonna give a solid 7 out of 10. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this really lengthy and lots of fun topics here in this video. So I hope you really enjoyed this, and make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. That will make it part of our channel, where in the future all of our legs will be gone because of these terrifying looking beasts. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.